Hello guys, what's up? What about you guys? Today I'm gonna share with you guys how you can make a dynamic sound quality of your YouTube videos. You are using some very expensive mics but your sound quality is not getting better, and because of what you need to edit your voice and also edit your silent pieces of your voice clips, and like this your video will get dynamic quality in social media or everything where else you want. Right now I'm using a very cheapest mic like via BYM1 for this video, and the sound that you are listening is of via BYM1. Check the I button in right corner to know about via BYM1. Now let's go to the Kinemaster app, I mean the professional version of Kinemaster. The link of Kinemaster Pro I will give in description box. Please check it out. Now let's have the audio media file that we wanna edit. Hello guys. Yeah, that's we have our file that we want to edit. Now let's zoom in the layer panel. Now let's zoom in more. Let's listen. Hello guys. As we see, first of all, what we have to know about this is, as you see that here is some pictures, white pictures, and some of here are blank pictures. Actually, where's the blank pictures are our silent pitch, and where's the white it's our voice pitches. Now let's listen that from where our real voice have started. Hello. As we see that our real voice have started from here. Now let's click here and then scroll down, then click on trim and split, then click on this as we want to remove our left side of our this blank pitches, I mean silent pitches. Now let's zoom out, then join here from beginning. Hello guys, what's up? What about you? Yeah, as you see that our sound pitches have started in right time of video. Hello guys, what's up? What about you guys? Today, yeah, as we see that here are some many others pitches that are silent. What about you guys? Yeah, here is our another silent pitches. Now let's click here, and if we wanna trim our clip from its middle, we have to click on here split at playhead. Now let's listen. Today our voice have started right here. Now let's trim its left and zoom this one. Yeah, right here. Now let's listen from beginning. Hello guys, what's up? What about you guys? Today I'm gonna share with you. We have trimmed its voice species too. So for what we need to get back our trimmed side. Yeah, now let's. Yeah. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how. Here is another large silent speech, and it's very easy to use and to browse, and also very easy to edit your sound pitches. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit a thumbs up. Here we are in the finalization of the edited sound. Now let's listen this. Hello guys, what's up? What about you guys? Today I'm gonna share with you guys how you can make a dynamic sound quality of your YouTube videos. You are using some very expensive mics but your sound quality is not getting better, and because as you guys listen to this, we have done this well, and I'm pretty sure that if you guys try this, you will can do this. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to make me inspired.